સુરત શહેરના પ્રસિદ્ધ એડવોકેટ મેહુલ બોગરા સુરત દ્વારા નામદાર હાઈકોર્ટમાં તેમના વિરુદ્ધ દાખલ થયેલ પોલીસ એફઆઈઆર રદબદલ કરવા પિટિશન કરવામાં આવેલ હતી, જેની સુનાવણીમાં આજે નામદાર હાઈકોર્ટે પોલીસે કાંઈ ખોટું નથી કર્યું તે આધારે તેની પિટિશનને રદ કરી નાખી છે. વધુમાં અદાલતમાં જજે કહ્યું કે તે એડવોકેટ છે તો શું પોલીસને રોકવાનો એમને અધિકાર છે? બિલકુલ નહીં. મેં અવારનવાર એડવોકેટ મેહુલ બોગરાના સમાચાર અને સોશિયલ મીડિયામાં જોયું છે કે તે પોતાની પ્રસિદ્ધિ માટે માત્ર પોલીસને જ ટાર્ગેટ કરે છે, જે યોગ્ય નથી એમ કહીને પિટિશન રદ કરી નાખી. તે સાથે હાઈકોર્ટમાં અદાલતે એડવોકેટ મેહુલ બોગરા અને પિટિશન વિશે શું કહ્યું જુઓ વિડીયોમાં. બ્યુરો રિપોર્ટ, ડેલી ઇન્ડિયા ટીવી, સુરત.
And the advocate. And the advocate, practicing advocate, Surat Court. But I was going in my car. I have seen, my lord, that one car, this black thing without number plate car, lying in the BRTS road, on the BRTS road, main corridor. I went there, my lord. I have seen these two police personnel in the car. I have requested them to come out.
Why every time such kind of incidents happens with you only?
It is not happened with me, my lord. In fact,
This name I have read at least 15
Yes, sir.
times in the newspapers,
my lords.
right?
Lordships are right.
So are you attention seeker or you are hungry of
not at all.
publicity?
Not at all.
Why every time you feel that you don't take up any other cause but cause is related to police department only?
It is not that.
And merely because some few matters wherein some allegations are made against department, do you think that every matter, irrespective of what are the nature of allegations, who is the petitioner, what is his past, without considering anything, the court will straightway direct them to
No, I'm not saying.
then?
My lord, I have registered an FIR. My lord, I was assaulted
Yes,
by person. FIR was registered. To cover that FIR, FIR against me has been registered, the impin FIR, and I am seeking that FIR to be cost. My lord, Lordships may see this section.
yes. Show
Page
me.
10 is the FIR. First, my FIR, Lordships would find.
Yes,
Sorry, my lord. Page 18
yes, yes,
is,
I am page
page
10.
18 is my FIR.
Page 10 is the
Page-
FIR which you
yeah,
are seeking to be
FIR.
paused.
Section
Read
to
that
be invoked-
FIR.
Section to be invoked, my lord, 143, 146, 149.
Hmm.
Because people were gathered there. One.
Merely because you are an advocate and a social worker.
It-
Does it mean that
Nobody.
you get a license to do anything
Nobody.
which you
Nobody. But my lord,
then face the
but
trial?
if a police treating the people, the general citizen, if anybody found with,
But for what
This
courts
car-
are, if anything is there, instead of
and that's what my lord, I
arguing
have
with the
told.
police, instead of arguing with the police, you could have approached the court. There are lot many remedies available.
With respect, my lord, I did not argue with the police. I called 100 number. They did not come. My lord, I have called a DCP John Police Station. My lord, she did not receive my call. 3-4 calls have been made, my lord. And 100 number, my lord, I have called thrice or 4 times. my lord. They did not come, my lord. Their ASI was also standing there, my lord. I requested that ASI to detain this car and take action. My lord, ASI also did not do anything because those two
All these are
persons-
matter of evidence.
those two persons sitting in the car was the police person.
All these are matter of evidence. What do you want? I am dismissing this petition.
If FIR, impin FIR, if
I have seen both the FIRs.
we have 500, 332, 500, 504, we have somebody from the people, from the crowd, LS2 threat to somebody, not even complaining. Somebody from the crowd, Miller, assaulted somebody in the crowd.
These are all
That is
matter
what
of
the
evidence.
allegation, Miller.
These are all matter of evidence.
True, but then at the first blush, if this FIR is to be read, in my respect, it is to counter my FIR only.
Therefore,
Or to
lead
say
the evidence.
police personnel,
Therefore, lead the
Nothing else.
evidence. Sorry.
and it is not that, Millard, I have also, I am only targeting police personnel, it is not there. I want to, that is what, Millard, I also have stated in my FIR,
Therefore, I am
that people may get
I am
aware
not
about
going
the law.
into all this, but plain reading of this FIR constitutes an offense and I am not inclined to quash it or to stay the proceedings. What do you want?
One more thing, Millard. After FIR of the petitioner, Lordship should find section 324 also invoked, 397 also invoked. Nobody is arrested till date. Those are the police personnel.
Is that your prayer in this petition?
It is, but these are the facts.
Is this-
My lord,
In this petition, what is your prayer?
my lord, I'm pointing out this fact to show the conduct of police at least.
Yes, what do you want?
I'll not waste your lordship time.
Shall seeks permission. to
My
withdraw.
lord. At this stage, your lordship,
Naturally,
that can be ordered.
at this stage.
My lord.
If police is not immune, advocates are also not
Not at
immune.
all, not at all. But somebody have to take my lord pause.
Not like this. Chalo, next matter.